Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here, and today we're going to be replacing the side mirror, the glass. If you want to take the whole mirror off, that's a different video, but this one is if you want to replace the glass, or a lot of people like to see this, how it's damaged. You can get this cover. Here's one, exactly like it. This is not factory, this is aftermarket, but you know, it should fit and look really good. You know, instead of buying a factory one. By the way, these side mirrors are like $500-600. So, and this was like $40. All right, the tabs, everything look about the same. Put it on and see how it fits. All right, this is gonna, and that's not the only thing. A lot of times they have carbon fiber ones that you may want to upgrade your car with, or the M series from, this is from 2011 to 2014. They're a little bit more stylish, but believe it or not, they fit on these, and you can, upgrade your mirrors a little bit if you wanted to do that. Okay, it's very simple to do. All you're going to need is a plastic pry bar, and what you're going to do, you don't really have to use the power mirrors. You can turn this by itself. Just go slow and bend it one way or the other. Okay. And the tips that you're going to want to get, you got to be careful. Somebody tried to do, I guess something hit this one in here, but you don't want to do that. Is you put this under here, 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 and here. There's where the contact, it's a round circle. The contact points are here, 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 and here. So you pry a little bit here, and you pry a little bit here. All right, then you move the whole mirror. You move it this way, and you pry it out. This way, and then you can just move the whole mirror, so it just slides right out. And sometimes you can even get your hand in there and just pop it out. Here we go. And then on the bottom, and then it comes out. Yours will probably have a heated mirror, so you're gonna have a little clip right here. You put a little screwdriver under there to release this little clip. This comes out, and now you can replace this if you wanted to by itself. Let me show you where those clips go so you get a better idea. You see? Let me put it over here. Here they are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's what you're doing in here. They hook onto the sides of this little ring. There's like a little groove in here. So that's what you want to do. You want to just like the four corners, like I said, you can move this. You see? It's fine. You ain't going to break anything. Just do it slow. 1, then you move it. 2, then move it back. 3 and 4. It's hard to do with one hand, but that's how you do it. Do it slow. You don't want to break the mirror. Okay? This mirror was broken already. So what you can do, there's a couple of things you can do. All right. Okay. First, let's talk about the mirror. You could either get this piece. Okay, I put it on the bench. You can either get this piece, which you can get it used. There's numbers back there. This one is anti-glare with the heated. This is about, used online, a good used one from BMW, for a OEM car, about $100, $120. You can do another thing where this customer wanted. He got this glass, which I don't really, recommend that much, but this glass goes right over it like this, okay? And you glue it down, and it fits pretty good. But the only thing I don't like about it is that you're gonna lose the anti-dimming. And this mirror is heated. It says in the package that you won't lose the heat, but now you're heating up 2 mirrors. So, if you want to do that, and it comes with these little stick tabs, you put 1, 2, 3, 4. You put it on the old glass. You clean up the old glass, and you stick it on that way, and you can install it. That's cheap. It's about $25, $30. You can do that. Me personally, I wouldn't do that. I would get this used online. If you want to get a new one, they're going to be even more. But a good used one, there's nothing wrong with a good used one as long as it's not cracked. All right, that's what I would do. So you have those two options there. You can go for just the glass with the, these stickers. You stick it on for $30, or you can just replace this which is about $100. Depends, you can get it on eBay, maybe cheaper. And now we're going to continue with the plastic piece. So now, to get this out, this one is kind of broken. It's already got the tabs. There's tabs here. Was, anyway. There was one here. Let me look at the normal because it's so bad. Let me see over here. You got, okay. All right. This is an alignment, You got the tabs is 1, 2, 3, 4. So on yours, if they're not broken, you're gonna have one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. These are just alignment tabs that aligns it when you push it in. And now the tabs over here, you're gonna have to bend them to get them out. You see this little, you see that little locking pin? So when you pull it, push it back in, it's gonna lock in. I'll show you what the new one is when it's installed. So you have to bend them out of the way, all 4 of them, to get this out. So technically, this should just come right out. I don't think any's holding this one. Maybe one is. Let me see. I think one is holding it right here. Let me take it out and show you what it looks like. Actually, this is even a better visual. Those, they go right into these things. You see them? They slide in here and they lock in. These pins right here. You see this? They slide right in and lock in here, 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 and here. Okay? I'll just install that. All you do is just push it in. A little side note, over here, there's a little one too. Don't forget this little one right here. That one goes right in here. Okay, so you may push it in and not see it. You just got to wiggle it in and it'll go in. Okay, and on the bottom here, you see these little grooves right here? These little slots, they're going to go into here. Here. All right, you make sure you put those in. Basically, you slide those in first and then push the rest in. Yeah, so basically these two, the bottom tabs over here, you put them in first. Those little alignment pins that are right here, this one and this one. All right, so you just push it in like this and put it in and it all clips in. There's no really nothing to do with it. It looks pretty good. Okay, and when you put the mirror on, you just center it right in the middle and you put your hand like in a circle and just push straight on and they all clip on nice and easy. You just push on this side, push on this side, push on this side, and push on that side, and then in the center, nice. And it doesn't take that much to get them all, to put it back on. And that's it. I'm not showing you how to put this glass on, because I don't recommend doing that. This is a safety feature. Anything that has to do with safety, it's either done right or I don't do it. So I wouldn't recommend doing that, because if this fogs up, and the heat is not going to work, because the heat is designed for one glass, not double, but the owner of the car, this is what he wanted. I understand, so I did it for him, and that's it. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.